Toss baby toss. Put your thing in there and toss baby toss. Good. This is not the only time I say toss baby toss. There are certain times I do say. Welcome to another session with your Vahchef, and one of the most comforting food for me is fried rice. And if there is some little bit chicken in that, it's tasty. But when you're going to make a paste out of red chilli garlic, that's when your fried rice goes another level of boomba boomba. So let's first make the paste out of red chillies, some garlic, and also add some oil, little bit water. Actually, the best way to do is soak the red chillies in the water, then you make a paste out of it. So everything is ready. So let's go. The beauty about the fried rice is you cut all the vegetables, everything in one plate and keep it ready. Boil the rice and keep that ready. And whenever you want to eat it, that's when you get the wok and go boomba boomba. The higher the flame, it is better. So in the wok, add oil. First, little bit oil, and just coat the oil onto the pan. This is a non-stick pan, so nothing to worry. In this, I'm going to add pieces of chicken. Earlier I added some flour and all that, but not in this one. Just some chicken in it, and we're going to just saute this chicken. Break 2 eggs. The fried rice what I am making is good for 3 people, and if you have kids, for 4 people. So that's it. Just toss the chicken, and this chicken has to be brined when you're doing it like this. That means it has to be soaked in salt water. That's when it gets cooked just by showing the flame a little bit. So it is so nice and tender and juicy also. So now the chicken pieces get tossed. Beat the eggs. Yolk, break yolk. That's it. Spread the egg thin and toss it. The egg, just will automatically break into little pieces. Wow. That's it. Do not cook too much. Transfer all this into a plate. Look at it. It has to be nice yellow and just done. That's how you're going to enjoy your fried rice. Add some more oil. Okay. Very good. Not too much. In this, add garlic and freshly cut ginger. This is what will give the super aroma, and go sum 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 sum. In this, when this is slightly cooked, that's when you transfer the garlic and chili paste into this. Now, that is what the chili does to you. So in the restaurants, we got the best foods, sucking in all the heat. But at home, you got to do a little bit of because that will add extra flavor. In this, add onion and all the vegetables. Now, corn. We grow a lot of corn in my farm. So corn is super. We also grow some pepper. That, and make sure nothing burns. So toss it. But if you have any other vegetables, especially leftover, don't be afraid to add here. I've got some beans. I've got some red cabbage. Okay. Now, the super aroma here. In this, add some sugar, some flavoring salt, crushed pepper, add rice. This is rice that has been cooled. Add soya sauce and go toss. Toss baby toss. This is not the only time I say toss baby toss. There are certain times I do say, but in the pan too, when the rice got to toss, you can afford to say toss baby toss. So mix all of this. Usually when they make it with the chili paste, they add the word Sichuan in front. It's up to you. When the rice gets slightly fried on the high flame, that's when it gets taste. Now add chicken and fried egg. Now give one more toss. Toss baby toss. Put your thing in there and toss baby toss. Good. That's good. And the absolutely boomba boomba fried rice is ready. When it's all done, just sprinkle some spring onion. The whole family can sit and enjoy this fried rice. Absolutely boomba boomba. Very hot, not in terms of temperature, with the chili hot. But the sweetness of the corn is just like a blessing in this fried rice. Make it, eat it. Whenever you eat the best of the best food, you got to say, absolutely boomba boomba.